Guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips to Dave, and we are going to be looking at a new product. Today is a different kind of video that I'm posting on my channel, and I want to help you guys with a new affiliate offer, which I'm basically going to be doing a review, and I'm going to tell you why this is maybe one of the only few times that I'm actually reviewing another offer that is, let's say, competing with my primary offer, or how I'm going to be doing it. But obviously, this channel, guys, is about the skill sets that you can use to pave the way for your dreams to come true, specifically with affiliate marketing. This channel is all about affiliate marketing. So if you do want to check out more, I'm going to recommend you to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification for future videos. But I'm going to hop on my screen and share with you this review on affiliate marketing or affiliate funnel maps. Okay, guys, I'm here on my screen, and before I go ahead and share with you the actual review, I just wanted to share with you a simple strategy that I personally follow with affiliate marketing, which is basically having traffic eyeballs, which is one of the most difficult skills, I would say, or one of the skills that you have to focus on as an affiliate marketer primarily when you get started. So that's something you can do with either free marketing or paid marketing. Now, I personally use paid marketing just because I do have a full-time job, so I don't have too much time to do free marketing. But when I do free marketing, it's just to document the journey. So that's one of the things that you can do, and you send it to a landing page, which goes to a bridge page and then has an offer and so on and so forth. This is not going to teach you this map, but this is a kind of map. This is the basic map that everybody knows about and usually everybody follows, including myself. And what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, the review of affiliate funnel maps, is going to help you. Let's say if you do get the product, that is, if you do decide to get the product, obviously the link is in the description if you do want it. If you do decide to get the product, it's going to put that on steroids. And in fact, that's what I'm going to be personally doing by applying my own knowledge that I have, including the knowledge that I'm going to be getting from this offer. And this offer is just launched today at the time of when I'm shooting this video. I'm going to be posting this on the 18th, I believe. Yeah, on the 18th of, today's the 17th. So I'm going to be posting on the 18th of May. And that's when you will be also able to see it. And it's in the first phase. Obviously, there's a contest that's available. So if you do join with my link, I will be applicable for the contest and so on and so forth. But that's besides the point for me. I'm just sharing with you. It is a product that I really love, and I'm going to be implementing the strategies that are there in this specific product so that I can make this map, which I already have, so the foundation that I already have, put it on steroids and make sure that I'm actually getting more value of when I go through the whole sales process. So this product, first and foremost, is not about traffic. This is the funnel in itself. How do you make sure that your conversions, you're optimizing, which is the, let's say, second or third step, I would say, because your first step would be definitely to make sure that your traffic is running. Second is that your system is working, so the basic funnel is working. And then third would be to optimize the funnel. So this is related to the optimizing of funnel. So if you're in affiliate marketing already, consider this product. That's all I'm trying to say. Consider this product because it will give you the insight for mid ticket, for low ticket, for high ticket, all of the three offers that are there out there. It's going to give you the option. Now, I'm just going to show you how I personally do it. I have a landing page, as you can see right here, which then goes to a thank you page. And in this thank you page, by the way, I am actually showing affiliate marketing on Crack, which is the primary offer which I have in my funnel, and it's what I actually share. So it's the course, and the course is actually by Ben Fletcher. So Benjamin Fletcher is the product owner of this specific course, and he's just launched that. He hasn't launched many products, guys. If you just open his Warrior Plus page so that you guys can see a little bit more, I want to give you guys some proof. He has a few offers, as you can see right here. But the main offer, which has a 5-star rating, is affiliate marketing on Crack. And affiliate marketing on Crack, and I'm just going to open it so that you can see it, is not just he's a 5-star vendor. He's in the top 10%. So it's really good to have such a solid product owner behind it. And he doesn't launch products every day. Affiliate marketing on Crack was launched, I think, 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. And since then, he hasn't launched anything. So it's taken 2 years. He's just focused on that. He has his products and he's making tons of money. He's done this for a long time. And like I said, he is an affiliate as well. So he promotes other offers. But his offers, by far, for me personally, have been getting me consistent sales since I joined. So just to get you guys understanding on my personal journey, I got started affiliate marketing some time ago, but I got started with this new strategy. I said I wanted to go from scratch I wanted to document my journey. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button and bell notification below, and also put a like if you do like this video or this review. And if you want me to do more of these reviews, let me know, because I'm not inclined to do for other products, but only products that I own. And one of the main things that I found when I started, let's say, refreshed, and I wanted to go through the whole process of teaching everybody on this channel, but more than anything else, the audience, the community that I have, how you can get started from zero. So if you're just getting started as a new affiliate now, how can you start to generate those commissions, consistent commissions, without the hype, without the exaggeration, without the big income claims and so on and so forth, but real consistent sales and everything else. The product that I was using, or I am using in my funnel, is Ben's product, Ben Fletcher's product, which is affiliate marketing on crack. That is the first offer that I was using. And I basically had about, now, if I'm not mistaken, $200 to $300. You can see the monthly report that I have on Warrior Plus, which I share with you guys these results, but I'm going to share with you in a little bit more detail right now. This product has been getting me consistent sales, and I've been implementing how to use this product as well. Now, there's going to be a bonus, so stay tuned till the very end of this video, because there is going to be a bonus specifically how you can get this product that's already converting for me included in the product that you have right now, or what I'm sharing the review on, which is Affiliate Funnel Maps. Now, let me just go ahead and show you some results from March when I got started this year. And I said, let's start again and see how it goes and everything else. I want to just put till the 17th, which is when I'm shooting this video, as you guys can see. And I'm going to run the report on Warrior Plus. So I've made around $600 in sales, as you can see right here, totally. Now I'm going to put affiliate marketing on crack as the product name, because that's the product that, I want to share with you, which is Ben Fletcher's #1 product. And you can see I've made over $500 in sales and $350 in commissions just from this product alone since March. Okay, so basically this means it's a low ticket offer. It's not a high ticket offer, so you don't expect like exaggerated numbers. But if you go through my sales, every single week I'm making a sale with it. If you see right here, every single week. April, there's so much. March, there's so much. And I can go on and share 23 sales basically have been made since March, April. Every single week, guys, I'm making sales. So we're mid-May. I'm sure there are going to be more results by the end of the month. But just to show you that this product converts, and I usually get a upsell or a couple of upsells within the whole structure. So it's quite cool to have. It is converting, it's a good product, and so on and so forth. Now, how you can get this product as well, which is already converting for me, and affiliate maps, I'm going to go through the review right now. So this is affiliate maps. Now, usually this product is $67, guys. So for a limited time only, yes, this is only for a limited time. It will be available for $17. So you will have to check and go to the link in the description of this video and see whether it's available for $17 or it's gone up to $67. Now, as I mentioned, this is not about traffic. This is really giving you 6 really simple affiliate maps that will 2x or 3x or 4x your affiliate sales. And this is what I'm trying to get at. It's amazing to know that somebody has put in the effort, an affiliate who's actually still an affiliate has put in the effort to make sure that this is a good product to promote. He's very particular with his affiliates. He verifies all of them. He's, as you can see, a super affiliate. He is also a verified top percent in Warrior Plus itself. He has those 6 maps available for you for a limited time offer of $17. And then after that, it's going to go to $67. So get this product when you can. As you can see right here, this has massive value. There's no fake testimonials here, no rehashed content here, no, just things that are not working. These are real situations, maps that you can use in today's affiliate marketing space. Okay, so it's a really very game-changing offer right here that you have. So it's making your systems that you have, you leverage systems in affiliate marketing. It's making your systems better. It's optimizing it. That's the whole purpose of this funnel. Okay, so this is, as you can see right here, it's not traffic. It is 100% not traffic. It's going to teach you about the system, not about the traffic, about the system. So you have to still focus on traffic. Don't get me wrong. You still have to build your email list. You still have to do all that work when it comes to traffic. But if you have a solid offer like this, which is mapping out everything, then your focus is only on the traffic and you're not focusing on the system. You're optimizing the system as you go along. So this is why I personally love the fact that this is going to help. So all the traffic in the world will not help you if you cannot convert your product into sales. So if you're owning a product or if you want to launch a product, this is definitely something to look into, not just for an affiliate, but also if you want to build your own product. Like I said, the other important thing is that it is not specific to just the make money online niche. It's not specific to one topic. So if you're passionate about relationships, if you're passionate about health and wellness, if you're passionate about dog training, this is something that personally I want to get started with. I want to create a channel with dog training content, with dog content, basically be an affiliate for dog products, and also have a TikTok related to dog products, or traffic related to dog products related there, and also use this funnel in place. So this is my idea, to have a side project running with the dog training. It's just something that I personally want to do. But as I said, it doesn't have specifically for one niche, and that's the realistic thing behind it, because people always have a conviction, I would say, yeah, with themselves, that with make money online you have to do solo ads or you have to do specific things. No, but you can do other things related to other niches, as long as you're using the skill set and actually building this out. So these are very, very cool areas that the maps will work. So it's not just one, it can be anything you can think of. You can utilize this in your offline business as well. So by far, I think it's a wide spectrum offer, and I will be most probably talking about this as, you know, I also develop the skill sets behind it. There's some proofs, as you can see right here, in how he's earning. This is all him, guys. Is very much a top affiliate, and his products really work. And also when he sells other people's products, he gets conversions with it. You are going to get internal affiliate maps. You're going to get the training that's there. You're going to get downloadable sheets, which you can utilize. So it's not something that you just watch and visualize. You have all components that are there. And exactly, if you get and take fast action, you're also going to get a bonus that is included, which is a masterclass in email marketing, which is the second best skill set that you need to have, the second skill set actually that you need to have with this offer. And he was going to sell this for $47 as an upsell, $47 as an upsell, but actually he's giving it for a limited time completely for free. So all of this together, you're getting only for $17, guys. So make sure you click on the link below and get it if you do want to get it. It's up to you. I just want to share with you a little bit more from his JV page so you can see what is the funnel all about. So you have on the front end is there are upsells. It's not just one product. You don't just pay $17 and you get everything. With the $17, you are going to get most of, as he said, 6 really stupid, simple affiliate funnel maps, which will already be able to 2, 3, 4x your affiliate sales. It's not exaggerated. It's real. That's the thing. It's not exaggerated. It's real. Now, based on this, there is also going to be an order bump. So if you want to get the affiliate marketing on crack, which as I showed you is converting for me personally, that you can get it as an order bump. So you will have $17 plus $22.50. If you want to get both, that will cost you around, I think so, $50 if I'm not mistaken, or no, even less. Yeah, even less than that. So those two would be 17 plus $22.50, and you can get those two products available directly. All you need to do, and I'm going to show you this, all you need to do to get the order bump is once you click on the one-time payment of $17, it's going to take you to Warrior Plus, as you see right here. And then you can see right here, if you want the affiliate marketing on crack, all you need to do is click over here, and there you go. For $40, basically you're getting 2 products, which is affiliate marketing on crack. If I've not shared this before, I've not done a review on this, but it's something that I do promote, is a super affiliate tactics that you're learning, including traffic sources, including other things that help you literally with your journey online. And like I said, it's not hype, it's real. It's something that is working. I'm personally implementing each and everything that he has shared. And he's one of my favorite vendors. I have a conversation with him on Facebook. I also speak to him via email. I've shared with him all my results. He's very happy to see that I'm getting consistent sales. So it's a vendor that, I mean, he's a vendor that personally I am very passionate about, and I don't mind making these videos to share, because he only, even as affiliates, he only is giving affiliates who are really committed long term and not short term. So this is something that I don't take lightly, firstly, to share. So these are the first 2 things that you're going to get on the front end, $17 and 22 cents, $22.50 for, which is the affiliate marketing on crack. Okay, that's less than $40. You get everything. Then there is an upsell, which is Commission Bully 3M. I don't have this product, but as I said, if you want it, you can get it. It costs $27. Then there's a second upsell, which is automated income assets. This is something that personally I want to get. I haven't yet got this product, but this is something that I personally want to get, which costs to $197. It's really up to you if you want it. And as you can see, it's newly updated. So he's updating his current courses as well. So they're relevant for the time that you get it. Okay, so which is mainly focused on ClickBank first and foremost. So you can do this with simple affiliate marketing sites on ClickBank. And this is the second upsell. And the third upsell is the underground traffic secrets. This is something that I have and it's very cool. And it costs you $37, which is also newly updated. So these are the three upsells that you have in the funnel. So let me go through that again with you. It's $17. Then you have an auto bump of $22.50. Then the third product is the upsell. First upsell is $27. The second upsell is $197. And the third upsell is $37. So it's really up to you if you want to do this. And if you want to become an affiliate, you can, as you purchase the product. I would recommend to reach out to Ben Fletcher and let them know. So you would have to go to here and click on a request. So you would be this kind of a, this would be the page. You will need to click on request right here and write in the request that you purchased the product and you need, or you want to be an affiliate for the product. And then most probably on the back end, you will definitely check on the back end whether you have purchased it and make a decision to make you an affiliate or not. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. I wanted to basically do this review because personally, I love Ben Fletcher's products. I love Ben Fletcher as a vendor, and I will be promoting his products as I go along. So it is my primary offer, and this is an addition to it. So it's going to be included in my email series. It's going to be included in everything. And as you can see right now, it's for limited time only. So guys, the formula remains the same. I'm going to be updating this map as I learn as well, so that I optimize my results and make my sales conversions from 1 to 5% to much more, maybe 2 or 3x that, right? So I get 15% conversions on the front, and then on the back will be another change over there. So it's something that I really want to look into and make sure that this is optimized. And if you want to do the same, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and you can always come back at any point of time. Like I said, it is available for limited time offer only for $17, and then it will go up to $67 later. So catch it while you can. Otherwise, later on, it might go up. That's all I wanted to share with you in this video, guys. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to be posting a video as usual tomorrow, on Friday, and then 3 times a week, every single week. This is an extra video that I had to post, so I just wanted to post it out right now immediately. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next video.